What does an SSQ3 really cost? This is Haley from New Tech Machinery. You've probably seen the base price around $68,900, but the real job-ready cost is higher. In this video, I'll break down what you'll actually spend, what drives the cost, and how to know if it's worth it. Let's get into it. What is the base cost versus the real cost? The SSQ3 MultiPro starts at $68,900, but that's just the machine. No profile, no trailer, no accessories. To actually run jobs, most contractors land on $124,000 to $140,000 for a full setup without notching. And if you want full automation with notching, you're looking between $170,000 and $180,000. So what's driving that jump? First, profile tooling. The SSQ3 runs up to 16 profiles, but each one requires its own tooling. That's a big piece of the investment. Residential profiles start at around $11,000, and commercial profiles start at around $23,000, and most have our new quick swap tooling system. It's important to note that your first profile choice is specially priced with the purchase of an SSQ3 MultiPro. Additional profiles are priced separately. Next, essential accessories. Most contractors add a trailer for $19,650. Dual overhead reel rack and expandable arbors start at $9,000, and the unique controller for $22,500. That controller alone is key for accuracy, cut lists, and automation. Then there's notching. If you want to fully automate your workflow, notching eliminates manual cutting and saves labor, but it requires the unique controller and adds to the upfront cost. The cost is between $170,000 and $180,000. We designed specific SSQ3 MultiPro cost packages that include popular configurations. Purchasing a package can streamline the configuration process and save you money. Click the link in the description to see these packages. Bottom line, the more capability and efficiency you want, the more you'll invest up front. But that's where return on investment comes in. Here's what most people don't think about when it comes to costs. The cost isn't just the price. A quote from your NTM account manager will include all the costs for your machine, including shipping costs. This is a 4,000+ pound machine that requires specialized logistics. Training. Your crew needs to know how to run it efficiently. Training is free to all new machine owners at our facility. For a fee, our trainers can travel to your location. And of course, taxes, if needed. Another added advantage is NTM's 5-pillar ironclad service and support that features job-ready machines through rigorous quality control, parts availability on demand, nationwide service network, hands-on training for better performance and efficiency, and 3-year limited warranty for investment protection. How do you manage that investment? With NTM, you can build and finance your machine all in one place. Our partner, Corbel, matches you with a lender so you can make manageable monthly payments and keep your cash flow free. It's a simple process. Submit your credit application, get approval details within 4 to 8 business hours, and finalize your purchase. Our online configurator will even show you the total cost and estimated monthly payments as you build your machine. So, is it worth it? If you're running both residential and commercial jobs, want to expand into wall panels, or need faster changeovers and automation, the SSQ3 is built for that. If you're only running one profile at low volume, a smaller machine like our SSR or SSH might make more sense. But here's the reality. We hear stories from contractors paying off their machines in one or two big jobs all the time. Some say it's like printing money, because the goal isn't just to buy a machine. It's to increase your capacity, control your production, and grow your business. If you're ready to build your machine, get a quote, or explore financing options, talk to one of our account managers or use our configurator right here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.